Rosetta Enterprise Financial Suite. Rosetta Enterprise incorporates the use of GAAP and IAS that enables you to conform to any accounting standards. Rosetta Enterprise financial modules includes accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, and general ledger. The Accounts Payable module enables you to create AP invoices that are matched to inventory receipts. This ensures that you only pay for items that you have only received. With the AP module, you can manage your supplier payment schedule and take advantage of payment terms. Each transaction in Rosetta Enterprise features the use of railroad tracks. It highlights the status of where you are in each transaction. The following shows an AP invoice that has been generated and matched with an inventory receipt. The invoice amount of $11,200 is based on the invoice detail that was populated from the item receipt amount of $10,000 and the 12% input VAT of $1,200. Click the Validated Status button to indicate that the invoice is approved to allow payments and to generate the module ledger journals. Upon validating the AP invoice, you can generate AP reports such as the AP invoice aging and AP invoice report that reflects the invoice status, date, amount, and other details. The scheduled payment screen shows you when your AP invoices are due for payment. The following shows the due date, amount, and any discount for the prompt payment of the invoice. You can also make payments to one or several invoices using the payment screen. This example shows that you have paid the full invoice amount to the supplier that updates the status of the invoice to fully paid. The Accounts Receivable module allows you to create AR invoices to record the receivables of the company. AR also provides matching, where the AR invoices can be matched to job orders, sales, deliveries, and other transactions to ensure that you bill the correct amount to your customers. The following shows an AR invoice that has been generated and matched to a delivery receipt. The invoice amount of $16,800 is based on the invoice detail that is populated from the matched ER with the item sales amount of $15,000 and the 12% output tax of $1,800 for 10 units of microwave oven. Click the Build Status button to indicate that the AR invoice has been issued and billed to the customer. After updating the status of the AR invoice to build, you can generate reports such as the AR invoice aging and AR invoice reports that reflects the invoice amount due and other details. You can easily create collection transactions for one or several invoices using the collection screen. The following shows that the full invoice amount has been collected and updated the status of the invoice to fully collected. Fixed assets allow you to easily account your assets and its depreciation, providing extensive asset information to maintain tight control of your assets throughout their life cycle. The Asset Master is used to create and store all asset-related information. The following shows that we have created an asset for a refrigerator that has an acquisition cost and book value of $21,000, was placed in service on January 2012, and has an estimated useful life of 1 year with a depreciation rate of 8.33% or $1,750 per month using the straight-line depreciation method. You can easily depreciate all your assets with batch depreciation. The following shows the depreciation transaction generated from running the batch depreciation, where the refrigerator asset was depreciated with an amount of $1,750 for the period. You can also check the Asset Master to view that its accumulated depreciation and book value have been updated to reflect its current cost. The General Ledger module contains your set of books, providing a central repository of all your accounting entries and transactions. In General Ledger, you can create and post journals that are used as basis for generating your financial statements. Each transaction in Rosetta Enterprise generates journal entries. The module Ledger Inquiry shows you the journal entries generated from the accounts payable transactions created earlier. Journals can be created and posted in the journal screen. Aside from creating the journal entries directly, you can also import the journals from the different module ledgers such as accounts payable and post them to update the account balances for the period. The following shows the imported journal entries from the AP module. Just click the Post Status button to update the account balances. You can also generate financial statement reports such as the trial balance, balance sheet, and other financial reports. Rosetta Enterprise accelerates your financial processes and provides you with the following benefits: Efficiently track AP invoices due for payments. Effectively manage AR invoices for collection. Easily manage and depreciate your fixed assets. Avoid erroneous supplier payments with AP invoice matching. Streamline customer billing with AR invoice matching. Ensure government compliance with GAAP and IAS accounting standards. Save time by effortlessly generating journal entries from transactions. Get up to date with your company standing from financial statements. Thank you.